Hello, viewer friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you, friends? I hope you are all fine and doing well. Today, I am going to share picture beautiful embroidery, cross stitching ideas. Very beautiful picture, very beautiful flower picture ideas, latex and trendy embroidery style. Latex and trendy embroidery style ideas. Today I am very latex ideas. Will you see the very attractive and graceful style? Embroidery style ideas, beautiful scenery design ideas, different and unique ideas. I hope all ideas very beautiful and graceful, trendy and good looking embroidery style. Kids patner ideas, latex and stylish design. So friend, I hope very beautiful and graceful style. Do you will stylish and designing latex and graceful? Very beautiful and graceful style ideas. So friend, watch my video till the end. And please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. After click the bell icon, very graceful stitching design, very beautiful and stunning cross stitching pattern ideas. One stitching elegant cross stitching pattern and gorgeous stitching pattern style. Cottonable thread usable, different color usable and different style use, unique and trendy cross stitching design, very elegant and very good looking style, latex and trendy good looking ideas, most beautiful and more latex style and latex design. So friend, other videos are very beautiful and very graceful ideas. I hope कि आपको वेरी ब्यूटीफुल आइडियाज देखने को मिल रहे हैं. अदरवाइज आपको डिफरेंट एंड यूनिक एलिगेंट क्रॉस स्टिचिंग डिज़ाइन देखने को मिलेंगे. इनमें पैटर्न स्टाइल आइडियाज़ हैं. बहुत सारी दुआएं हैं, बहुत सारा प्यार है अपने वर्स फ्रेंड्स के लिए. वन बाय वन आप एम्ब्रॉयडरी स्टाइल्स देखते जाएं. आप इनके डिफरेंट आइडियाज़ हैं बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त से. सो फ्रेंड्स, थैंक फॉर योर वॉचिंग. टेक केयर.